Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. As you can tell from this video, I have finally received my beautiful Weirdo collection. I'm not quite sure what happened this time around, but it seems like the company had issues shipping the PR packages to the people who were outside of the United States. I don't know if you're aware right now, but shipping is all over the place. Everything is backlogged. We're having huge issues all over the world, so I'm not super surprised, but nonetheless, we're here now. The packages finally arrived, and I am so freaking excited to open this box with you guys. So for today's video, what we're going to be doing is unboxing the entire PR package. Now, if you want a more in-depth video about the actual palette itself, swatches of all of the lip stuff, everything like that is going to be in tomorrow's video. This video today is strictly an unboxing. You can get a first glance at all of the items in the collection. Now, keep in mind, tomorrow's video, I am going to be doing lip swatches of all of the amazing lip products we've gotten. I am obsessed with the colors we've been getting lately with the collections. Usually we're getting a lot of bold, unwearable colors. These I find so beautiful. So I cannot wait for you guys to see them on my lips and we can see them in action. And before we jump into this unboxing, guys, please, if you haven't already, make sure you enter my giant Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway. The giveaway is almost coming to an end. I'm going to be announcing the winner on Halloween. That's going to be Sunday, October 31st. I'm going to post a video on here. I have so many surprises in store. There could be more than one winner. I don't want to reveal anything right now. You're going to have to stay tuned for that video on Sunday, but I am so freaking excited. I think this has to be my favorite giveaway I've ever done, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it all. All right, guys, without any further ado, let's unbox the Weirdo PR package. All right, diving in here, of course, we're getting a peek of that beautiful tissue paper they use. I love that each collection has its own unique tissue paper. It's really, I always say it, I know you're gonna be like, she always freaking says this, but it's the attention to detail that really takes it to the next level for me. I love it. Now we're going to take out the rest of the stuff in here. And as you can see, we have some beautiful lip items. These are the Supreme glosses. We got, okay, so funny story. There's only 5 new colors, but I'm like, why do I have 6? They accidentally sent me 2. So they sent me the shade CUNT. They sent me 2 of those. So you already know that that means that'll most likely be going in a giveaway. And now touching on these velvet traps, so beautiful. Look at this packaging. I am literally obsessed. And now let's look at this Weirdo package. I love, again, how it has its own tissue paper. So pretty. Take a little close look at that there. And the last item in the box, all the way at the bottom, we have the beautiful Weirdo hand mirror. Now let's start to unboxing. So first we have the Weirdo palette. So pretty, this packaging, simple but very sleek and beautiful. The outside is matte, but then this here, as you can see, is shiny. Really pretty. That Weirdo is slightly raised, and bam, look at that color story. It's giving me 90s realness. It's giving me very much like, it reminds me of like a MAC eyeshadow palette, if that makes sense. It's 10 times prettier in person, and I really didn't think I would like it as much as I do. Now we have the beautiful velvet traps. I want to open these for you guys so you can see how gorgeous the colors are. Can we take a minute for this packaging? I love it. It's embossed the same way that the actual lipstick barrel is embossed, if that makes sense. I love the way that looks. I am not going to say if that makes sense anymore. You guys read me to filth. Like, that's probably the #1 comment on one of my videos. I think it was my ranking the palette video. You guys read me to filth. For the amount of times I said that. Honestly, I didn't even realize I said it that much until I was editing, and I'm like, no one will notice. Turns out people noticed. I'm just going through these beautiful velvet traps. They look absolutely stunning. I love that we have so many varying blacks now. Before we only had that one Weirdo. Now we have a bunch in the Jeffree Star Cosmetics line that we can choose from, which I love. These shades are all so pretty. I'm literally obsessed. I cannot wait to try each and every one of these on. Which one do you guys think is going to be the most flattering on me? There's already ones that I'm gravitating towards, but I want to know Pause this video right now. Tell me, what color do you guys think out of all these new ones is gonna look best on me? I'm so curious to know. And look at these beautiful Supreme glosses. First of all, that packaging, love it. And we're just gonna go through these now. I love how he changed the color of the top of the lids there. So pretty. Opening this up here. Again, these are all gonna be tried on in tomorrow's video. These colors are a little crazy, but I really like the lipstick shades. I really, really do. I love, again, that we have another black gloss here. So pretty. Have you guys tried the Supreme Gloss formula yet? I personally love it. I really think you guys should give it a go. I love pairing it with when I'm wearing a lipstick. I'll usually take a Supreme Gloss that's a little bit lighter and just dab it on the center of my lip. I really like the way they look. These smell delicious while I was opening them. It's all I could smell, but it's not so overwhelming that it makes you feel sick. It's just good. They're good, guys. If you haven't tried them yet, I highly suggest you do. And now let's move on to this beautiful hand mirror. This is giving me rock and roll vibes. I absolutely love it. Like, look at how cool that looks. So unique. I love the spin on the star being exaggerated like that. Super, super duper pretty. I love it. This entire collection has been so beautiful. I want to know, guys, what are you picking up from this collection? What are you skipping on? Are you picking up anything? Definitely let me know. Leave it in the comments, and I will catch you on the next video. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow to find out the review on everything. Is it worth buying? All that good stuff. Please, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you give this video a like if you like this style of video. And of course, don't forget to catch tomorrow's video where I do an in-depth review of all of the items in this beautiful collection so you can see on what you want to pick up, what you want to pass on if you haven't decided yet. All right, guys, catch you on the next one. Bye.